Kitchen organization is an art that requires masterful strokes to maintain the aesthetics of your pantry. Nevertheless, there are certain storage options that not only add to the beauty of your kitchen, but also increase its functionality. Let us tell you more about one such option and what it has to offer: the pull-out shelf. Pull-out shelves are designed to optimize the storage capacity of your kitchen by utilizing even the tiniest nooks. Pull-out shelves are known to create 50% extra storage in your existing cabinets. Most pull-out shelves come with comprehensive dividers that allow you to colonize your spoons, knives, and forks, making your cutlery look even more organized. There are pull-out shelves that have an innovative design to organize and easily access all your spice jars. These are called the pull-out spice racks, and they are meant to bring everything in reach. If you are looking to reorganize your kitchen without breaking the bank, check out Slide Out Shelves LLC. We are your best source for high-quality, affordable, and easy-to-install pull-out shelves. Shop from us today. www.slideoutshelvesllc.com. For queries, call us at 866-374-3583.